ओके कितें आसा हो प्रोजेक्ट?
आमचो प्रोजेक्ट आहा तो पॉवर जनरेटिंग जिम इक्विपमेंट. तुमी आतां आयकलां आसतलें आमी रिन्युएबल सोर्सीस ऑफ एनर्जी एज विंड एनर्जी यूज करतात, सोलर एनर्जी, टायडल एनर्जी. Our mechanism uses human energy, which while working out in the gym, we produce a lot of energy. So our mechanism focuses on using that energy and converting it into electricity.
कशें कितें वर्कींग आसा हाजें?
Okay, so हो आमचो फिक्चर. आतां जिमान वेरियस इक्विपमेंट आसता, लेट पुल डावन, रोईंग मशीन. दे हॅव द वेट्स गोईंग अप एंड डावन. That mechanism is there. So this fixture we fix onto that those weights and tighten this. And when the machine weights move and up and down, this thing moves up and down with the weights. It generates electricity. So then this electricity we can store it in a battery, and then we can use for various purposes. In this mechanism, we convert both up and down motion of the weights into one-way rotary motion. Then use gears to increase the speed of this motor.
हे प्रत्येक आतां समजा तुमी जिम इक्विपमेंट म्हटलें न्ही, सगळे जिम इक्विपमेंटाक बसून एकी कडेन हाडून तुमी कनेक्ट करूं शकता काय वेगवेगळे कनेक्ट करूं शकता?
Now वेगवेगळे हेका आमी कनेक्ट करपाक शकता. ऑल द मशीन्स which have those weights coming up and down तांकां कनेक्ट करपाक शकता.
इंडिविज्युअली टू ऑल द मशीन.
Yeah, it can be connected individually to all
There are
machines.
provision to connect, like you can just
This
do it
thing can
one.
be connected to two machines, two lathe pull down machines. Like one can be kept behind, the other one on the other side.
ओके, बट इंडिविज्युअली सुद्दां जेन्ना तुमी इंडिविज्युअली सुद्दां कनेक्ट करता न्ही, जाल्यार बॅटरी एक आसूं शकता तुमी स्टोर करपाक. बॅटरी
बॅटरी एक आसूं शकता आणि various machines can power the same battery.
So we can retrofit this basically onto weights that are there in any gym. So it doesn't have to be only one particular gym. So as we go to another gym, we can change the design of just our fixture and it will sit on the weights of that gym. So it has
नॉर्मली जेन्ना एका खंयचे एवरेज जिमान कितले तुमी म्हणजे सेव करूं शकता एक बॅटरी खातीर?
आमचे आतां मेकॅनिझम आहा ते इट कॅन प्रोड्यूस अबाउट 100 वॉट्स at 1600 RPM. And it also varies upon person to person who is using the gym. If the person uses it faster, it can produce more watts.
Because why I'm asking, because normally in average gym they are working hour आसता एक 5 to 6 hours. In these 6 hours, how much watt they can save in battery?
Okay,
Average.
if you take a 23 ampere battery, it will take around 12 hours to charge that battery fully.
Fully charged.
Yeah.